Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fabricate ships in No Man's Sky Orbital update. To do this, first you will need to find the terminal for Starship Fabrication right here on each station, and I guess it should be in the same place. Now we can interact with that terminal, then you should see something like this, and you need to fill all of the parts for that ship. So there's a left wing, reactor core, hull, and a right wing. You can also switch between different starships like Explorer type. There's also Hauler and Fighter. Now if you want to get those components, you will need to find or buy different ships, like you can find some wreckages in SOS signals, or you can also buy the ships if they fly in and just spend your money on it. And now if you want to get those parts again, you will need to approach this ship outfitting station. You can select the ship that you want to break into the parts by clicking on X, summon vehicle, switch docked ships, and then select whichever one you have. Then you can start outfitting, go for the begin salvage analysis, and then there should be option break into parts. In this case I cannot break it since I have only this ship, and after that you'll be able to choose one of the parts that you want to break from the ship, like wings or the hull. And then you can go back to that fabrication station and craft the ship of your dreams, let's say. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.